All right, people, welcome. It's been a while. So today we are talking about creating a React application. That's what we're talking about now. How to create a React application. Now I know you all. Somebody dropped the comments on the channel talking about me creating a React video. So I'll just try to show us how to create a React application right now. So you need to install Node.js. You can search that online, either on Google, Node.js, and also install your VS Code. So I have installed my Node.js already. That's my Node.js already, and also I've installed my Visual Studio Code. That's my VS Code already. So let's go straight into the video now. What is React? Now React is a um, kind of like a framework, kind of, but it is based on JavaScript, whereby you build individual components and make them interact as one. That means as a whole application. All right. So the first thing to do after you've installed your Node.js and your Visual Studio Code is to create a folder for your React application, either on your desktop screen or on any location. So I'll come down to new, all right, folder. I'll call it my React. I can call it the house of reaction. Let's call it house of reaction. Please, this is just the name of the folder that will hold um, the React application. Okay. Then once you are done, make sure you turn on your internet connection. Turn on your internet connection. All right, and make sure it's your own internet connection, stuff like that. All right. So once you've done that, then you can go to your VS Code now. Go to your VS Code and open that folder that we have on the desktop screen known as House of Reaction. So go to that folder now, click on File, come down to Open Folder, then select Desktop, which is the location, then House of Reaction. That's the name of my own folder. Yours can be React, yours can be anything at all. So select Folder. Alright, so it's coming up. So that's it. So now if you observe now, this House of Reaction folder is quite empty. There's nothing there at all. So the next thing to do is, as long as I've turned on my internet connection, is for me to open a terminal right inside the VS Code. Now a terminal here represents your command line interface. So you click on this icon and choose terminal and new terminal. Alright, now this icon will only reveal itself if your screen size is up to this size. Alright, but most of the times, if it does not show up here, you can click on File and you can select terminal from here. That's if in case you can't find terminal from this icon, or you can't find this icon here. So select this icon, terminal, then select new terminal. Alright, it's coming up. Alright, so you can see now on this new terminal, it has shown us the address of the folder, alright, in my computer system. So the next thing to do now is for me to write the command to create the React application. Alright, the firstmost command is called the npx. That's in small letter, please, npx, which represents node package extension. Just a minute, please, just a minute. Alright, so I'm saying it. So now to create the React application, as long as you've turned on your internet connection, is for us to type the word npx space create hyphen react hyphen app. Then the name of the app, let's call it hello, stuff like that. Then we can press enter. So once we press enter on the keyboard, it will begin to fetch the information from the React server. Alright, so I'll pause the video now until mine is done. Alright, so now once it is done, on this same terminal, it will show you um, 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 it will show you API hacking on this same terminal right here. Okay, and also if you go to your file explorer, in your folder you get a hello folder. All right, so I'll show you the one I have previously right now. Just hold on a bit. So file, um, close folder. Just a minute. Let me just show you the one I've done before. So file, open folder. I'll select what I have there. That's my React. Okay. All right. So you can see now that I have a hello folder. Remember the app name was what was hello. So we have the hello folder there already. So that is what we have down there already. So we have the hello folder there already. So this is how you can know that you have your React application. So guys, don't forget what I said before. To create the application after you have created your folder, that's a folder that will hold in the React app. Then you put the npx create React app hello. Alright, so guys, now the next video I'll show us how to run it. Naturally, once you've seen the happy hacking on your terminal, it will show you the React application on the browser. So the next video I'll show us how to clear our workspace on the React application, and also how to run the React application successfully without any injuries at all. So I hope this video is helpful. So comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.